Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preheating to 175 degrees C so the batter bakes evenly. This matters because oven temperature sets structure. Next, whisk dry ingredients to remove lumps and distribute leavening. In a separate bowl, stir sugar, oil, and non-dairy milk until glossy. This binds and adds moisture. Once done, fold wet into dry in 3 additions to avoid overmixing, and scrape the bowl. Make sure there are no streaks of flour before moving to the next step. Now you enhance texture and flavor by adding vanilla and a binder like applesauce or a flax egg. These replace eggs and keep brownies tender. Fold in chocolate chips or nuts if you want pockets of texture. Gentle folding preserves air. Transfer batter to a greased 20 cm pan and smooth the surface so it bakes evenly. Make sure to tap the pan once to release large bubbles. This prevents tunnels and keeps crumb uniform, which is key for fudgy results. You bake for 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick shows moist crumbs, not raw batter, because slight underbake yields fudgy brownies. Once done, cool 15 minutes in the pan so structure sets, then finish cooling on a rack. Cutting too soon makes them crumble. If your brownies turn out dry, brush slices with simple syrup or reduce bake time by a few minutes next batch. This restores moisture and teaches you how small timing tweaks change texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.